right, continuing on with lesson 1-1, we're going to chunk our next section. Section 3 is going to cover questions 6 and 7. Right above 6, it says patterns can be written as sequences. Math terms. This should have appeared on the previous slide. It says a sequence is a list of numbers, and each number is called a term of the sequence. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, ... and 2, 5, 10, 17, ... are sequences. Number 6 says, using the table or graph above, write the approximate times until the next Old Faithful eruption as a sequence. Number 7, how would you describe the sequence of numbers? This time, I think you and your table mates might need about 3 minutes to answer both of these questions. They're probably fairly simple. Again, question 6 asks you to write a sequence, and question 7 asks you to describe your sequence. Again, we're going to stop our video or pause our video. We're going to give ourselves about 3 minutes to answer these questions, and then we're going to come back whole group. So again, work with your table mates or your classmate on questions 6 and 7, 3 minutes. As you can see, questions 6 and 7 have been provided for you. Please take a note that in question 6, I wrote down 46, 58, 70, 82. These I could have gotten one of two places. I actually pulled mine from here. It was my approximate time until the next eruption. I separated it with a comma. The other place you could have pulled it from was your ordered pairs that you plotted up here, but because we kind of estimated those points, you might not have been so accurate on that if you would have just looked at this. So I pulled mine from the table on the previous page. But notice these 3 dots at the end. These are called ellipses. And what that means is that the sequence continues on. So again, we've got 46, 58, 70, 82. This indicates that our pattern is continuing in the same format. So it's just basically a continuation instead of having to write all those numbers, because it could be an ongoing number. We might not ever actually reach the end of the sequence. They just continue in the same pattern, plus 12, plus 12, plus 12. Okay? Now, again, the next debriefing question, this one's going to be an open-ended response. So this one's going to be a basic short answer by yourself. Take the next few seconds or a minute or so to answer the question on the next slide.